ताकोपीज ओरिजिनल सिन, जो इस सीजन का हाईएस्ट रेटेड एनिमे भी है, जो कि जितना ही चाइल्डिश है उतना ही मिसलीडिंग भी। जहां स्टार्ट में इट फील्स लाइक डोरेमोन एंड हैव अ होलसम एंड क्यूट वाइब टू इट, बट लेटर इन द स्टोरी इट ड्रॉप्स द मोस्ट हार्ट रेंचिंग प्लॉट ट्विस्ट, जिसका अंदाजा हमें स्टार्ट से ही हो जाता है। बट at start I thought it would be more of coming of age story where they will fight against their trauma and it would be some kind of anti-bullying story, but the core concept of the story is far deeper than that and I had to talk about it. I have to say it's heavy. लेकिन आज मैं इस एनिमे पर बात नहीं करूंगा, but rather I'll talk about a character, एक ऐसा कैरेक्टर जिसकी राइटिंग इतनी ज़्यादा डार्क है दैट आई विल कॉल इट नथिंग शॉर्ट ऑफ अ नाइटमेयर वेयरिंग अ हार्ट बीट। जहाँ पर एक तरफ इस कैरेक्टर की राइटिंग बहुत ज़्यादा डार्क और सैड है और उसकी दूसरी तरफ इसकी अपीयरेंस उतनी ही ज़्यादा जॉली और क्यूट है। ये उन कैरेक्टर्स में से एक है जिनकी राइटिंग उनकी अपीयरेंस और पर्सनैलिटी को कॉन्ट्रडिक्ट करती है। So let's deep dive into the character of Takopi. And spoiler warning, this video will contain heavy spoilers, so if you haven't watched the show, watch it and come back. Takopi, जो कि एक octopus like alien है जो planet Happy से आया है with a single mission to accomplish, and that is to spread happiness. Sounds wholesome, right? But one thing that this character lacks is understanding of human nature. और भला हो भी कैसे when he comes from such a healthy environment, जहाँ पर दूसरों की मदद करना एक नॉर्मल सी बात है, जहाँ पर emotions like jealousy और malice exist ही नहीं करते, where the common reason for a fight to occur is that what is the right way to make others happy. So when someone from that healthy environment steps foot into this world, what he lacks the most is the understanding of human emotions and human nature. And what he has is the determination to make others happy. And this makes him ignorant. And for me, that is Takopi's original and greatest sin. Ignorance and his unbending determination, which actually makes him much more dangerous. वो हेल्प तो करना चाहता है लेकिन वो उस जवाब की तलाश में है जिसका सवाल उसने कभी समझा ही नहीं, which leaves him in absolute darkness with no way out. Takopi's original sin, जो कि इस शो का टाइटल भी है, जिसका मतलब हर एपिसोड के साथ बदलता रहता है. At first you might think that helping out Shizuka might be Takopi's original sin, as it leads to Marine getting enraged and bullying her more, which ultimately pushes her toward a tragic end. फिर तुम्हें लग सकता है that giving Shizuka happy rope that cannot break might be his original sin that leads to another tragic end. Or you might even think that killing Marine might be his sin, but according to me, Takobi's original and only sin was ignorance mixed with a bit of kindness. And as the story progresses, this thing is quite prevalent and transparent. So now let's talk about how Takopi's character is a tragedy. And the answer is because he is the element X. Didn't understood what I meant, so let me explain. I remember those time travel movies or series where the whole equation comes together with the elimination of a single element or character. That element is Takopi. To further explain this, I would like to talk about two things. One is Takopi's development and the other being his impact. और ये चीजें आपस में connected हैं. Takopi is like a newborn baby left in this world to fend for himself and thus develops his own understanding of this world, where he comes to a single realization in both the timelines, and that is sometimes happiness and sorrow coexist, separated only by whose heart they touch. और अब इस कैरेक्टर के impact के बारे में बात करते हैं. Takopi came into this world and his sole mission was to spread happiness. And in the first timeline, he met Marine, who was a victim of child abuse, and he tries to help her out, and in doing so, they accidentally stumble upon Azuma, which leads to romantic development between these characters. और जैसा कि इस टाइमलाइन में शिजुका के पास हैप्पी रोप नहीं थी, and her rope breaks, leading to failed suicide attempt. She's also alive in this world, and due to her mental breakdown because of her past trauma, he tries to exact her revenge on Marine by stealing Azuma. जब ये सारी बात मरीन की मदर को पता चलती है, she breaks down and consider this a mockery and taunt to her own self by her own daughter, which ultimately leads to the death of both Marine and her mother. And what was the reason for all of this? It was Marine meeting Azuma due to Takopi. In the second timeline, he tries to help Shizuka, which increases the intensity of her bullying and leading to Marine killing her dog and her attempting suicide with the help of Happy Rope. And what was the reason for all of this again? Takopi. And when he realized all of this, he tried to put everything back to its original place. And in doing so, he realized his sin and erased himself. So let me ask you again, what was Takopi's original sin? For me, Takopi was nothing short of a heartbreak, a character that shows humanity to you through a different lens, but still manages to show how disgusting it is. A character filled with empathy and kindness. But was the reason for such tragedies? For me, his original sin can also be interpreted as something as simple as to make everyone happy. How cruel, childish, yet beautiful it is. So that was it for the video. Take care, goodbye, and watch good content.